In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 2 more youth in Pulwama district. The troops martyred the youth during a cordon and search operation in Gundipura area of the district. Besides Pulwama, the troops continued cordon and search operations in Doda, Rajouri and Poonch districts of the Jammu region. The troops, during operations in Kastigar, Bagwa, Desa, Gundwa, Surankot, Manchkot and Mendan areas, barged into the houses, ransacked household goods and harassed the inmates. A delegation of the Jammu and Kashmir political resistance movement visited the residences of recently martyred youth in different areas of Shopian to express solidarity with the victim families. The delegation was led by its chairman Jamil Mir and comprised of Ghulam Hassan, Dr. Museb, Fayaz Ahmad and Ahmad Nazar. Senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmad Shah, in his message from Tihar Jail, New Delhi, said that the systematic killing of civilians, particularly the youth, is a part of the Indian government's deep-rooted conspiracy to change the demography of Jammu and Kashmir. He deplored that New Delhi had given a license to its brutal forces to kill innocent Kashmiris in the garb of anti-militancy operations. APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, in a statement in Srinagar, said that despite killings, massacres and crackdown operations, India had failed to break the Kashmiris' resolve for freedom. The APHC leader denounced the use of draconian laws to silence the legitimate political voices in the territory. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti, talking to media persons on the sidelines of a function at a Gupka residence in Srinagar, warned that India would wipe out the very existence of the Kashmiris if they did not act together and resist encroachment on their lands, jobs and resources by the outsiders. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah, reacting to the murder of Punjabi singer Sindhu Moosawala, said security nowadays seems to be a reward for loyalty rather than an objective and need-based decision. The 27-year-old singer, who supported Sikh movement for Khalistan through his songs, was attacked in Punjab a day after the government withdrew his security cover. In India, a 16-year-old Muslim girl was raped, tortured and murdered by the village head, his brother and accomplices in the state of Bihar. The victim's family said that the local authorities and police are protecting the accused and have manipulated the post-mortem report for the same.